Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to send USDT from Bybit to Binance. So the Bybit is a really popular exchange to manage your crypto. Of course, you can see we have Bybit in here. Now what we are going to be doing here, first head over to your assets section from the bottom right side of your account. So we have multiple options in here. Since we need to send from Bybit to Binance, the very first thing that we need to do is head over to Binance, click on portfolio. Let's just say we want to send USDT. I'm going to be clicking on add funds, and let's just say we have deposit crypto USDT. Select from the list. Now we need to select the network, which is Tron TRC20, and simply copy the second address. The first one is network, make sure to keep that in mind. Now we need to head over to Bybit and click on withdraw, and simply we are going to be entering in here the information that is. So first you're going to be simply verifying your email and stuff like that. So of course that is going to be helping you to finish off the process. So you need to simply click on withdraw, and yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel and stay tuned for more.